91 Honda, one crank, one start. All the lights work, turns on, interior lights work, everything. You done did all this. All your grounds is replaced, all your grounds is good and strong. Your starter been replaced, you got good connection, good battery. You done check your fuse box, you done replace your fuse box. Which just to show y'all one bolt. It comes up, you got a little plug right here, you check all that check out to be good. Your connections on your starter is good, the negative pole here is good that go to your starter. This is good, it runs up into your battery. All that checks out, you still can't get it to crank. This is a fuse box just like the one that was in it. When you get that bolt out, that bolt, which you see sitting here, here, and here, flip it over. These will be your little plug connections you're gonna undo. When you got a main one here, this is actually a relay. You actually unscrew and replace. The fuse is actually on the outside of the box. A relay that sits on the outside of that plugs in. That ain't gonna be your issue. Now, of course, it could be your ignition, which this wire traces back, goes under here, plugs in right there to there, but I'm gonna show y'all, most likely it ain't even that. You about to cut the light on and get in here. Most likely it ain't that though. A lot of people start with this right here. This one here screws in right here is a piece. It releases this when the clutch goes down. When this clutch goes down, what they fail to understand, the one that normally messes up, get this light up here, is this one. There's one right here, the second one. And what happens is, when the clutch goes down, it's compressing this one in. So when it's up, that piece there comes out like that, like this one is. So it's kind of hard for me to show y'all. When you push the clutch pedal, when you push that clutch pedal down, this one up here, I'm trying to show y'all, when the light keep going, it releases out, tell the car to crank. What happens is, it's a little rubber, man, it's hard for me to show y'all and hold the light. Little rubber piece that goes right there. That goes right here. That rubber piece pushes this in. This will be screwed in right here. It'll be screwed in right here. And it pushes out, it comes out when the pedal go down. This top one that people don't see, it pushes it in. But what happens is that rubber bushing that you can glue a penny on, it dry rots and go away. So it ain't even pushing my top one in. And that's why my Honda ain't starting. I done did some every day to try to find out. So, trying to get the light up and where it will be at. Man, it's so tight to get up in these spots. But that piece, if you, damn, I don't know. But you can get up in there, you're gonna need to get up. You're gonna need to get up underneath here and see if you can slip something in that hole. It's gonna be a hole like this, up in this one, that pushes this one in when the pedal is up towards the steering wheel. When you push the pedal down, the clutch, it's gonna push it. I'm sorry. Right now, while the pedal is up towards the steering wheel, this one here, the clutch safety switch is what I call it, it's out. When you push that clutch down, it's gonna push that in and release this one out. And this one will be screwed in right here. So it's normally the top one, the rubber piece breaks off, dry rots from the top. You can see this one dry rotted. So let me
So
show
the
you.
piece looks just like this. And it'll go in this hole right here. And that what pushes up and down on these two. I call them the clutch or ignition safety switch when you have a clutch. And that's what that does.